Hey guys, it's Dan here with another video, and today is Mother's Day. So I hope you're having a great time with your mom, and today we're going to show what I made for my mom for Mother's Day. Let's get to it. So, as you can see, this is a cat statue, and it's holding gnomes in its mouth, its hand, and its tail. And I made this because of an inside joke between her and myself. So, you might have seen a statue that looks like this that's a little different, and she said she wanted it as a joke, but I decided to make one anyways. I found a couple things on Thingiverse. I found a grumpy cat statue, I found a gnome statue, 3 different gnome statues, and I modded them, shrunk them down, and turned them all around, moved the mouth around so it looked like I was holding on to it, and just used Mesh Mixer to put all the STL 3D files together into one file. Mesh Mixer is just a program. And then I printed it out, as you can see in the corner, whatever corner I have it in. And when it's printing, it pretty much printed out perfect. The fur texture turned out really well, which I was surprised about. So let's look at that and get into how I painted it. As you can see, I just used my spray paint booth to do some coats for getting the plastic primed. And then I used acrylic paints with a hand brush. I painted all the details with my hand. And as you're probably noticing, it doesn't look shiny. So after I was done doing all the acrylic painting, I just did a clear coat in the paint booth again. And everything looks like it's totally shiny and it looks like a ceramic cat. So it gives the effect of being a garden gnome while not actually being made out of ceramic. It's only made out of plastic. But I think it should be able to last outside, but that's decided. It's still decided, so I'm just going to keep it inside. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked this, or you like that you have a mother, be sure to hit that like button down below. It lets YouTube know that you really like your mother, and I'm sure she will love to see this video. You can share it with her. You can check out some of my other videos over here. I make stuff out of plastic, wood, and more, and foam and all that stuff. And if you like this video also, you can subscribe, because subscribing lets YouTube know that you want to see more videos like this, and you'll see me make more stuff or do some more movement. And until next time, this is Dan Wiggins. See you later.